Alright, Chase, hold your nuts for a
Okay. That was easy. Alright guys, it's October 3rd. This weekend's our October 4th and 5th Polecat Drivers Weekend, presented by Chase Bays. It's going to be a good one. Weather's absolutely perfect, 50 degrees to 80 degrees, so it's going to be awesome, and we're all going to have a good time, and I think we're all going to learn a lot about, you know, just ourselves and who we are as people. Having to run it back further, but it's good.
How far are you starting back?
Tree line.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see the click. That's not a bird. Car's fast, feels good.
Yeah, it feels good. Just a couple little small nuanced things.
Yeah, okay. Better than the first GLTC drive? CMP?
I do want everyone to do everything they can to be ready when we go hot.
We're at the October 2025 Chase Bays Drivers Weekend here at Polecat. We're going to walk around and ask some drivers some questions. We had everybody submit some questions. We got some good ones. Let's see what happens. Does pineapple belong on pizza? What are your hair and skin recommendations? What are your politics? How much can you bench? If you need to sneeze while you're drifting, what do you do? What are your impressions of Polecat so far? Have you seen any disgusting, nasty clankers out there? Where's Chris Ward? What's the worst part about being friends with Chris Ward? Who did 9/11? What got you into drifting? Where's the chaos at? You look like you do roofing. Is that accurate? Has anybody done an interview with you yet? What's been the dumbest thing that somebody's done at one of our events?
What's your name?
What's funny about that? What's the funniest thing that's ever happened at a Knuckle Up event? What's the newest conspiracy theory that just dropped? Let's talk about how you and I met.
Is this a supercharger or a turbo? Are you a musical artist or no? You got arrested and went to prison.
Do you have marketing budget for airplane rentals for Brian and I?
Wait, aren't we supposed to do a driver's meeting?
Oh yeah, let's go ahead and collect.
Right there.
Just like that.
That was probably the best. On the rumble strip, he entered air early. His rear wheel hit the rumble strip, carried all the way through it, and carried it through. Yeah, that was good. That was Bob's
Put a helmet on. He's got a tire. He's toting a tire. Watch out, media. Watch out, media.
All right, Cameron Stone, let's hear it from you. Are the Diet Coats settling in the stomach for you?
Dude, I need a second one.
Yeah, okay. I was telling everybody that you're about 4 of them in today. Is that correct?
No, I wish.
Okay, so what are we going to do after this? We're going to down our second one and move on?
I'll shotgun one to keep up.
There we go. I love that energy. You're out on the rumble strip really late. We enjoyed that, powered all the way through. You were very consistent, very fast. Sean Booth, you did put a little bit of a show on. Oh, Sean Booth with the active arrow. Hey, Booth. There it is with the hand signal. Every time you're coming out, the hand signals outside, we did appreciate that. That also contributed to your scores and putting you into the top 3. How was the car feeling today?
Amazing. I was just trying to let you guys know I was having a great time in there.
Perfect. Yeah, you're looking like you were having a great time. Your car did seem to lose a little power coming out of the turn, but yeah. But the hand signals definitely made up for the lack of power that this car does have. So we do appreciate it.
Love that. Thank you.
How we doing? I haven't met. I'm Jimmy. Mike, pleasure. Very exciting entries. How was the car driving for you today?
Oh, perfect as usual.
Yeah? All right, excellent. You had one really exciting run coming onto the rumble strip. You entered in very early. Very, very exciting. Just what we wanted. Held the full walk all the way through and never let off. So it was fantastic. Good smoke. Did you know you nailed it when you did that entry?
No, those felt bad.
Oh, really? Yeah, man. It was fantastic.
All right, our 3rd place finisher was Sean Booth. Woo! Our 2nd place finisher was Cameron Stone. Woo! And our winner in this beautiful blue and white S14, Mike Steele. Yay!
go right.
Trucking courtesy of the red wine.
Getting my chase with you.
Dude, that was fucking...
You've chased me every time I've been here. I never got to chase you.
That one lap was awesome.
Dude, that was like my lap of the day.
I hope he's not like me. I hope he